2020 Ram 1500 Hemi. Hemi. 5.7 liter V8. Got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. And it's got a factory resonator. They only did it in 1 year for some reason on these. Then what we put on it is a FLOWMASTER 50 series Delta Flow, part number 942551, right there, as you guys can see. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then we continued with his normal stock duals that he had on there and there with 2 resonators and 2 stock tips there and there. You guys can see. Like always, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe for more beautiful content. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. FLOWMASTER 50 series. Exactly what you wanted. Not too loud. He wants the performance aspect more than the sound. You guys can see. That's what the 50 series gives. More performance, less sound. Again, sound decibel 95, almost 96. There's the muffler that we cut off right there. Gigantic thing. Replace it with a FLOWMASTER 50 Delta Flow. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. You didn't want too much drone. The Delta 50 series gives that no drone. Let you guys hear on the inside. The Hemis never disappoints. I like it.